Everyone, Umar here. This is I'm gonna make today smoothie today. Okay. Here are the ingredients. No, wash your hands. Here are the ingredients. Okay. I'm gonna take the banana. I'm gonna peel it off. Peel it up, throw in the bin. This is peel it up, throw in the bin. We are peeling, throw in the bin, put in the plate, cut it. Cut. Okay. Now we are done. Pour banana. Add some milk. See you, bye. It was nice. You can make apple, orange or pineapple smoothie. Okay. See you, bye.